The Sensex reached an all-time high of 76,787, while the Nifty 50 came within 25 points of its record peak of 23,338 during afternoon trading. And this boost to the markets coming from the stability that was on display during a meeting of the NDA that took place in the Central Hall of Parliament, and also the RBI policy that was announced earlier on. The Sensex and Nifty soared over 2% as government formation drew nearer, and by all intents and purpose, it seems like a stable government with NDA allies. They're committing to stability, committing to being a part of this coalition government. The surge came earlier on in the day when the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee decided keeping policy rates unchanged at 6.5% for the 8th consecutive time. Also a positive outlook. Well, let's go across to Sakshi Bajaj for more. And Sakshi, so, a double boost really for the markets.
Absolutely, really a fabulous Friday for the markets, with both the Nifty and the Sensex jumping over 2% at close. The Sensex gaining 1,618 points and ending the day at 76,693, while the Nifty gained 468 points and ended the trading day at 23,290. Now, the Sensex also hit a intraday trade high at 76,795, and that really was the reason why we spoke to analysts really across the board and said, look, while we've seen gains in the market momentum high throughout the morning, what's led to this huge uptick? So experts believe, yes, investors are cheering stability, policy continuity going forward. They also feel investors are cheering the fact that RBI has raised the GDP growth forecast for FY25 to 7.2%. So both these factors really adding to that market momentum, all set total indices also performing well in trade today.